What's up, man? This is
RandR.
It's man Cole.
This boy Eagle.
Your main man, Samson.
So yeah, we're about to hop and watch this. Also, the ending of how it should have ended. Infinity War. So without further ado, let's get it started.
Let's do this.
In order to take the stone, you must lose that which you love.
You love nothing. No one. Really? Tears?
They're not for him. They're also not for you.
Wait, what?
That is funny. Well, man, I think it's gonna throw my nigga death or something.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh man, this is already.
Well, you had a Hulk. All fathers, let the dark magic flow through me one last time.
My humble personage, it is now time for you to take the next infinity step. What?
Alright, this is just great. Now what are we gonna do? Ooh, that was a close one. Thanks, Heimel.
Where did you send them?
To a place where they will never be found. Farm novel.
New haircut?
I see you copied my beard.
Is that a new weapon?
This thing? Oh yes, it's great. It's got a good weight to it. You can summon the Bifrost. It's gonna help me defeat...
Hey, I'm cool.
Ah, the even axe handle!
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. And thanks to our sponsor Audible, who is offering all Amazon Prime members an Audible membership for only $4.95 a month for the first 3 months. And after that, it's only $14.95 a month. But hurry, this offer ends July 31st. So go to audible.com/HISHE or text HISHE to 500-500. Our family recently started the Harry Potter series on Audible, and the narration is so fun. Whether it's your first time or 10th time, the performance really brings the characters and the world to life in a whole new way. So if you've got some road tripping left to do this summer, this offer is a great excuse to binge on the whole series. Just head over to audible.com/HISHE to get their special Amazon Prime deal of only $4.95 a month for 3 months. Or you can text HISHE to 500-500. Thanks again for watching and supporting us. Bye!
I'm sorry, little one.
Did you do it?
Yes.
What did it cost?
I knew it!
Everything.
I knew it! I knew it was the chill talking! Oh my goodness.
That was funny.
That was funny.
That was just pure comedy right there.
Yeah, that was.
Like that was. Yeah, we want to make something that's gonna just make people laugh.
Yeah. It did its purpose.
Yeah.
So yeah, post comments down, comment section below, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff.
4D.
4D.
And that's real to believe in. So dear Captain America, when the real guy drops his hammer, your shield will be no defense. And iron sharpens iron, so it's irony to me to see that only the blood of the Son of Man can now sustain what iron can't. So much for Iron Man, don't let that stop your marvel. Worship's up in our arsenal, steady fire till Zion land.